Hey everybody, in this video I'll let you guys know how can you download all the images of a website. In order to download all images of a website, you could either open Chrome or Microsoft Edge. After you launch open it up, then what next you want to do is on the browser you will simply want to go ahead and type in image downloader extension page, after which you simply want to click the blue add to Chrome button. This is image downloader. You could go ahead and install this or add the extension. As you've added the extension, there will be a confirmation. Once again, click the add extension button. As you have done it, so go to the browser or the page with images that you want to download. As you've done it, so click the image downloader icon from the top of the extension page. As you've done it, so you want to then go ahead and select all or click that options. Next, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to confirm the number of images that you want to download. Click on download all. As you've done it, so you'll then be able to see this sort of confirmation and click on the terms and conditions. As you've done it, so you'll have successfully downloaded the image from website. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.